open it. It has lots of Sonic figures. And I ordered it and it came the other day. And let's see what's inside. It's a sparkly egg. It has Super Sonic, the regular Sonic, Shadow, Metal Sonic, Knuckles, and Sonic the Werewolf. Now, let's open one of them first. Sonic the Werewolf. I never had him before, just my other ones. Okay, got Sonic the Werewolf. Okay, he's looking pretty cool.
Does he scan?
Let's see if he scans. So, maybe the arms are a little articulated or something.
Let me see.
But I don't think they are.
Oh, they're kind of heavy, huh?
They're a little heavy, so they don't scan that well.
He doesn't stand, but he looks cool, huh?
But it looks cool. So we're going to put him over here in the section. Now let's open Super Sonic. Let's open Super Sonic now, my most favorite super one. Okay, here he is. Okay, he stands. 1 point for Super Sonic. And he's my most favorite because he flies.
Let me see. Stand him. And let him stand there. Oh, yeah, he does. Oh, a little.
And they didn't put the buckles right here. So yellow, but that was messed up. Well, the Sonic the Werewolf one was a super cool one. Oh. Now let's open the regular Sonic, my most other favorite. Now the regular Sonic one. Regular one. Here you come. Okay, so they got the color pretty nice. Except
Oh, let me see his face.
they didn't actually put the eyes that good. But they still gonna put the buckles right. Ooh.
Does he stand?
Let's see if he scans. Oh yeah, he scans like my other toys.
But why is his face weird?
That's how they are.
Let me see his face. I feel like it's kind of weird.
His face is weird. So is the Super Sonic, but the Super Sonic one looks super cool. His eyes look super cool. The Sonic the Werewolf too.
Okay.
Here's Metal Sonic. Metal Sonic's coming out. Metal Sonic's coming out now. You're the bottom. Sonic the Werewolf. Super Sonic and Lego Sonic. The ones that we got so far. And the dog's here too.
She's got a toy or something. Oh, she's got a block.
She got to like the dog. Chica, mine is super annoying. But anyways, back to the video. And almost there. Maybe I should open the bottom.
You got it? Or you need help?
I got the bottom. Uh-oh, Sonic the Werewolf. I got Sonic the Werewolf. He fell overboard. Well, he's gonna put his claws right.
You just open that one.
Now, Metal Sonic's coming out. He's coming out. He's coming out. We got 2 more to go.
Daddy, can you take that wood from Chica?
Here's Metal Sonic. They like to go back in. I don't think Metal Sonic will scan. I thought he would. What's his eyes? Okay, they got the nose wrong.
Let me see.
His nose is not that color. His nose is grayish.
He doesn't stand.
He doesn't. I tried. So, he's twins like Sonic the Hedgehog. Now, the next one Shadow. Okay, let's see what Shadow got. Hopefully they got his eyes right. Now, here's Shadow the Hedgehog. Let's see if he scans. He's turning to like Sonic the Werehog. He's turning to like Sonic the Werehog. He's turning to like Sonic the Werehog and Metal Sonic. So these three don't scan. These two are perfect. They scan. This one scanned like this. This one scanned like this.
Open the last one.
I still can't believe it. The last one's Knuckles. Oh, Knuckles was easier to open than the others. So here's Knuckles. Okay, they got his nose right. They got his nose right though. But not his eyes like the others.
Let me see.
I think something feels a little wrong about this. Oh yeah, something's
Oh,
wrong.
he stands good. Stand it.
He scans good, but something's wrong. Yellow goes right here on the little stripes like Sonic has as the white ones. So that's it for today. Bye!